Step 1. Plugin Marketing to open Marketing Plugin Management area in BeikeShop. Step 2. Please enter plugin name here to specify plugin you want to manage. Step 3. Fill order editor to name plugin you are configuring for marketing purposes. Step 4. Here to continue with plugin setup process in BeikeShop. Step 5. Download plugin to obtain plugin installation file for your store. Step 6. Plugin list to view all available plugins installed in BeikeShop. Step 7. Install to add chosen plugin to your BeikeShop environment. Step 8. Here to view detailed information about installed plugin. Step 9. Edit to modify configuration settings of selected plugin. Step 10. Submit to save changes made to plugin settings. Step 11. Submit to save changes made to plugin settings. Step 12. Orders to access order management are within BeikeShop. Step 13. 202605146435 to open details of particular order for review. Step 14. Edit to make changes to selected orders information.